Are you hurt? Can I pick you up? Okay. I'm sorry. Okay, can you fly? Okay. He's gonna hang out with me for a minute while I'm walking. Made a new friend today. His name is Robin. And I'm just gonna walk with him. I hope he eats peanuts, because I have peanuts. This is amazing. Looks like a baby just learning to fly. I might just keep it, take him home. But he seems to be enjoying this walk, and hopefully this will teach him this is how it feels when you fly. He's strong. When I grabbed him, he struggled with a lot of strength for a little bird that side, this side. So now I'm gonna just walk and see if he'll stay home with me. Seems comfortable. Say hi, Robin.